Hi, I'm Aaron Steil from Gardening with Steil on Iowa PBS. Care for your houseplants over the winter looks a little different than it does in the summer. Here's what you need to know to keep your houseplants healthy even when it's cold and snowy out. There's no need to fertilize in the winter months. Plants are not actively growing. Resume regular fertilization in mid to late March. The two environmental factors that change the most during the winter months are light and humidity. The sun is lower in the horizon and the days are shorter, which means our plants are getting less light. If your plants need more light because they're not flowering like they should be, or they're dropping leaves or have yellowing or discolored leaves, you may need to provide more light. You can move to a brighter window, or you can provide the light with artificial sources. Fluorescent and LED shop lights that plug in are perfect options for gardeners. Put them on a timer for 14 hours a day and make sure the plants are close, within 6 to 12 inches of the light source to be the most effective. You have to raise humidity to keep houseplants happy over the winter. You can start by grouping plants together. Their collective foliage helps hold in more humidity. You can use a pebble tray. This shallow dish of water has pebbles or some other structure in it to hold the pot above the level of the water, and that evaporating water raises the humidity right around the plant. Put smaller plants in a terrarium. These glass cases hold in a lot of humidity. And you can use a humidifier. This raises the humidity in the entire room, making plants and people happier. The one thing that won't raise humidity is misting. While plants can benefit from misting because it cleans leaves and some plants will absorb that water through their leaves, misting does not raise the humidity around the plants. The droplets are just too big. Finally, watering in the winter months is different than in the summer. Lower light and humidity levels, coupled by the fact that plants aren't actively growing, means the watering frequency will change. As always, check the soil moisture and water when needed. Join me Saturday, February 20th at 2 for more Gardening with Steil on Iowa PBS.